Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix something went wrong in Messenger. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and look for Apps or App Management. Tap on it, then scroll through the list or use the search option to find Messenger. Once you find it, tap on Messenger to open its settings. Next, go to Storage. Here, make sure to clear the cache and delete all data. This won't delete your messages, but will reset the app to fix any issues. After that, go back to the app settings and ensure all permissions for Messenger are enabled. This includes access to contacts, storage, and anything else the app may need. Finally, restart your phone to apply all changes. Once your phone restarts, open Messenger and the problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.